Welcome to Brilliance TV. PSC previous questions for ബ്ലോക്ക് പഞ്ചായത്ത് സെക്രട്ടറി 2018 നടന്ന ബ്ലോക്ക് പഞ്ചായത്ത് സെക്രട്ടറിയുടെ PSC ചോദ്യ പേപ്പറാണ് ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ പരിചയപ്പെടാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഇൻഫാക്ട് ബ്ലോക്ക് പഞ്ചായത്ത് സെക്രട്ടറിയുടെ പരീക്ഷാ രീതികളും ചോദ്യങ്ങളും ഏതാണ്ട് ഇതേ മാതൃകയിലാകാനാണ് സാധ്യത. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഇന്ന് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഈ ചോദ്യ പേപ്പർ നൽകുന്ന അനുഭവ സമ്പത്ത് പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുത്തിക്കൊണ്ട് അടുത്ത ബ്ലോക്ക് പഞ്ചായത്ത് സെക്രട്ടറിയുടെ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്കായി നല്ല രീതിയിൽ മുൻകൂട്ടി തയ്യാറെടുക്കാനുള്ള ഒരു അവസരം, ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നൽകുന്നതാണ്. വേണ്ട രീതിയിൽ ഇത് പ്രയോജനപ്പെടുത്തുക. ചോദ്യത്തിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം.
Question number 1. In the case of chemical change, what is generally affected? A. Neutron, B. Nucleus, C. Proton, D. Electron. Answer D. Electron. Chemical reactions encompass changes that only involve the positions of electrons in the forming and breaking of chemical bonds between atoms with no change to the nuclei and can often be described by a chemical equation. Question number 2. Einstein's formula of mass-energy relation is A. E is equal to mc square, B. E is equal to mc the whole square, C. E is equal to m square c, D. mc. Answer A. E is equal to mc square. In physics, mass energy equivalence is the principle that anything having mass has an equivalent amount of energy and vice versa, with these fundamental quantities directly related to one another by Albert Einstein's famous formula E is equal to mc square. This formula states that the equivalent energy E can be calculated as the mass m multiplied by the speed of light c, that is approximately 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second squared. Question number 3. Which of the following allow the electric current to pass through it? A. Glass, B. Graphite, C. Rubber, D. Bakelite. Answer B. Graphite. Graphite can conduct electricity due to the vast electron delocalization within the carbon layers. These valence electrons are free to move, so are able to conduct electricity. Fourth question. Electric transformer is used to A. Filter current, B. Regulate current, C. Change voltage, D. Serve as fuse. Answer C. Change voltage. Transformers rely on Faraday's law, which states that a time-varying magnetic field can induce a time-varying voltage in a loop of wire. Fifth question. Astronomical unit is related to A. The distance between Sun and Earth, B. The distance between Sun and Moon, C. The distance between Moon and Earth, D. None of the above. Answer A. The distance between Sun and Earth. The astronomical unit is used primarily for measuring distances within the solar system or around other stars. It is also a fundamental component in the definition of another unit of astronomical length, the parsec. Sixth question. Carbon, diamond, graphite are together called A. Allotropes, B. Isomers, C. Isomorphs, D. Isotopes. Answer A. Allotropes. Carbon is capable of forming many allotropes due to its valency. Allotropes are structurally different forms of the same element. Well-known forms of carbon include diamond and graphite. Seventh question. Of the following, the best conductor of electricity is A. Aluminium, B. Silver, C. Copper, D. Gold. Answer B. Silver. Silver is the best conductor of electricity, followed by copper and gold, because it contains a higher number of movable atoms, that is free electrons. For a material to be a good conductor, the electricity passed through it must be able to move the electrons. The more free electrons in a metal, the greater its conductivity. Eighth question. Which instrument is used to measure electric current? A. Rheostat. B. Electrometer. C. Voltmeter. D. Ammeter. Answer D. Ammeter. Electric currents are measured in amperes, denoted by the letter A. Ninth question. Drinking soda is A. Alkaline. B. Acidic. C. Neutral. D. Oxidant. Answer B. Acidic. Carbonated water, also known as soda water, is water containing dissolved carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas dissolved in water at a low concentration creates carbonic acid. The acid gives carbonated water a slightly tart flavor. The pH level of carbonated water is between 3 and 4. 10th question. SI unit of temperature is A. Joule. B. Celsius. C. Kelvin. D. Fahrenheit. Answer C. Kelvin. It is always denoted by capital letter K. The general formula is C by 5 is equal to F minus 32 by 9 is equal to K plus 273 by 5, where C denotes temperature in Celsius scale, F denotes temperature in Fahrenheit scale, K denotes temperature in Kelvin scale.